Welcome to today's podcast. We'll be covering CVE 2024-11477, a critical remote code execution vulnerability discovered in the standard decompression component of 7-zip. This flaw allows attackers to execute arbitrary code on vulnerable systems simply by tricking users or applications into processing a specially crafted archive. The affected product is 7-zip version 24.06. A popular open-source file archiver that supports multiple compression formats, including Zstandard. The vulnerability lies specifically in the library code that 7-zip uses to decompress the standard data streams. Any installation using the built-in ZSTD plugin is at risk. CVE 2024-11477 is classified as an integer underflow. CVE 191. The flaw arises when the library computes a size for an internal buffer based on user-supplied data without proper validation. The underflow leads to an invalid memory write, enabling remote code execution in the context of the decompression process. When 70-zip processes a maliciously crafted Zstandard archive, the decompression logic fails to check a length field before using it to allocate or copy memory. If the input value is too small, it wraps around past 0, an integer underflow, causing the code to write outside intended memory bounds. An attacker hosting or distributing a poisoned .z or .zst file can trigger this condition. Once exploited, arbitrary instructions run with the same privileges as the 7-zip process, potentially leading to system compromise. This issue was originally reported through ZDI as ZDI CAN 24346. To mitigate CVE 2024-11477, users and administrators should update 7-zip to the latest patched release as soon as possible. If you rely on automated archives or untrusted inputs in scripts and applications, add additional validation or sandbox the decompression step. Staying current with security advisories and applying vendor fixes remains the best defense against vulnerabilities like this one.